So here's everything. You can still see the logo for the Go Auto Works. I'm sure this is a very common sight. So the car is in, the shroud is in. I was able to actually pick up the Trac Tuff swirl pot, so that's coming in. So now that I found it, I'm just gonna do the 20 a.m. because winter is basically here. So this car is not really going nowhere. So taking this off the manifold to get it ceramic coated, that should help with some of the temperature. That and the downpipe, sorry, that and the turbo housing. Downpipe, I'm just gonna wrap it, and the same for the oil drain at the bottom. Since it's working, it's not smoking, I'm just gonna wrap it up with a DIE heat sleeve, so that should take care of that issue. And then while everything is out, I can work on tightening up the front end, because the front end is just thrown on to, it's just thrown on basically, so it rattles. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off now and get to work. The radiator is in the way, so now I gotta take off the manifold. Come on, you already knew it was not gonna stay together for long. Once again, it's apart, but this time it's for the good. I'm gonna wrap that drain. Like that. So I'm gonna wrap the drain. I think I have a small leak from the exhaust, so I'm gonna double check that. Plug up the holes and drop these off to get ceramic coated. So hopefully that should help with some of the heating issue that this car has, because it has a lot of heating problems. So finally got the Trac Tuff swirl pot. So this can go by here. Now the only issue is debating if I want to go 16 or 20s. There's a pretty big difference between the two sizes. So this should allow me to get more cooling capacity inside the engine or the cooling system versus a 16. So no, I would just have to cut this off right here and just weld this on. Weld on the two bungs down here for the radiator and start making my lines. And if I can figure out how to clean this, maybe, I don't want to paint it, but just clean it so it looks a little better. Yeah, so hopefully everything works out the way I'm planning. Wait. As I said before, it's only water, guys. It's on. Got good clearance. I just wonder what this nipple is for. I think it's for some kind of breather. I think this goes to the one that's back here, but I'll figure that out. But it's a nice placement, so all I gotta do is get an AM fitted, do a straight and a 90, and I think that should make that a lot simpler to do. But yeah, fits up great. And oddly enough, this is the H2B version, so it was a little worrying, but like I said, I got a good deal on it, so I picked this up knowing that if I had to cut it and reclock it, I could. But it looks like it fits perfect with this lower radiator, cerakote radiator. It just fits right there, so that was good for me. As usual, more stuff getting done. This is the turbo. That's the back. That's the front side. I'm waiting to pick up the actual cerakoted back housing today, so that should be good. We got the turbo gaskets. Hope it's a T3. Should be a T3. So we should be able to put that in the car. Run that. T3, T4. So I'll pick this up. It's the Trac tuff thermostat delete. So I have this whole unit. So this is what I will be putting in along with that. My only question is, there is normally a coolant temperature sensor, temperature sensor that goes here. I guess I'd have to find another way to control the fan. So, yep, that's 2 down. So hopefully figure out how I'm going to control this fan switch now. So we're going to start putting on the parts back on this car to close everything up. But good thing is, got all my manifold back and also the hot side for the turbo. So I'm going to take it out. This was cerakoted because this one was starting to rust. It was a brand new part, just starting to rust. And this one, I just wanted to make it look a little nicer. So, one with the black. Let me take it out of the bag. So here's everything. You can still see the logo for the Go Auto Works. It does look very good though. So I'm gonna throw everything on. So yeah, so far I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Just gonna start putting the whole car back together. Just gotta find the IE sleeving for this, so I'm not gonna connect this, but